So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 4 boards on these joists. So I'm gonna walk you through this and through the process. I really would like you to take note the ease of application here with the ExoDek system. The only pre-drilling that's required is on the starter board and the end board. Everything in between is going to be a single stainless steel screw through the clip straight into the joist. The beauty of this system is that these 2 clips will come together and spread out based upon the movement of the wood while maintaining a very solid base to the deck. So what we're going to do is put the starter board down, and this will be the only part of the ExoDek system which actually requires that face screw. So the installation is just, I don't know how to explain how much more quick this goes than these other products, but what we're gonna do here is put another set of clips on there. We're gonna simply slide these together. Our clip's nice and even on the joist. What we're gonna do is effectively just run these straight down in the middle of the clip. What do you do when you have to butt 2 ends of the board up together? Once again, no screws, no additional framing. Simply slide the clip in, butt the boards together, and it's the exact same process of coming straight down through it again. I ran this first line already and attached these clips to the joists. We're just going to show you the ease of application here. You could effectively lay out all of these boards on your deck being held by this clip system, and then have another person or yourself come right behind, and it's just simply straight into the middle of that clip. Pretty simple. The other thing that you'll see with some of these other clip designs is you're constantly having to worry about moving spacers. The clips are the spacers in this case. So I have this set to 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch gap here, 1/4 of an inch gap here, 1/4 of an inch gap here. There is no margin for error, which is just great with the ExoDek system.